friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Medical Hub. Before starting the video, if you like my video then please subscribe my channel and watch more videos and share with your friends. So let's see, it's the second part of AIIMS previous year staff nursing exam question paper. In the first part I had given 40 MCQs. In the second part there is also the 40 MCQ, question number 41 to question number 80. So let's see question number 41. A nurse acts as an advocate when she does one of the following. Correct answer is C. Ask the relatives to give their consent instead of patient. Next question. Which of the following is not a method of patient assignment? Right answer is A. Duty roster method. Duty roster method is not a method of patient assignment. Next question. The strategy adopted to ensure quality nursing care by a statutory body is. Correct answer is D. Licensure and registration. Next question. What does the society exclude? Correct answer is A. Time boundless. Next question. When you come across a person lying unresponsive on the road, your first action should be to. Correct answer is C. Call an ambulance and start the CPR. Next question. Helper cells belongs to. Right answer is D. C cells. Helper cells belongs to T cells. Next question. Man is a social animal. Who said this? Right answer is D. Aristotle. Aristotle said the man is a social animal. Next question. Duration of third stage of labor is. Correct answer is A. 30 to 45 minutes is the duration of third stage of labor. Next question. Which of the following gland secretes hormone to maintain normal metabolic rate of the body? Correct answer is A. Thyroid gland. Thyroid gland secretes the hormone that maintain the normal metabolic rate of the body. Next question. What are the trends in psychiatric nursing? Right answer is B. Custodial care. Custodial care is the trend in psychiatric nursing. Next question. The best method for assigning respiration in a non-responsive person is. Correct answer is C. Look, listen and feel. The best method for assessing respiration in a non-responsive person is to look, listen and feel. Next question. What are not the misconceptions related to mental health? Right answer is A. It is possible to prevent mental health illness. It is not a misconception related with mental health. Next question. The umbilical cord contains. Correct answer is B. Two arteries that carry the deoxygenated blood and one vein that carry the oxygenated blood. Next question, question number 54. Validity of tools refers to. Correct answer is A. Accuracy. Validity of tools refers to accuracy. Next question. What is the normal blood cholesterol level? Correct answer is D. Less than 200 mg/dl is the normal blood cholesterol level. Next question. Nursing profession can only be practiced after. Correct answer is C. Lessons. Next question. Dissemination of the research can be done by following method except. Correct answer is C. Information discussion. Next question. Which statutory body is responsible for ensuring the standards of nursing education in India? Right answer is D. Indian Nursing Council, INC. Next question. Sample in research is referred as. Right answer is A. Representative of population. Sample in research is referred as a representative of population. Next question. If a person has an object implanted in his hand, the first aider must. Right answer is D. Immobilize the object using sterile pad. Next question. While documenting the high pulse rate of a patient, nurse must document it as. Right answer is C. Hyperpyrexia. Increase the body temperature. Next question. The definition of health by WHO excludes all except. Correct answer is C. Reproductive. According to WHO, health is a physical, mental and social well-being, not merely an absence of disease or insanity. So, correct answer is C. Reproductive. Next question. The ability of human body to protect itself from pathogens is known as. Correct answer is C. Immunity. Immunity is the ability of human body to protect itself from pathogens. Next question. The first aid treatment for choking is. Right answer is C. Give 5 sharp back blows between the shoulder blades. The first aid treatment for choking is give 5 sharp back blows between the shoulder blades. Next question. Culture has importance for the group because. Right answer is C. It marks off one group from another. Culture has importance for the group because it marks off one group from another. Next question. Attributes of good leader involves which of the following? Correct answer is B. Aware of members' strength and weakness. Good attributes or quality of good leader involves in aware of members of strength and weakness. Next question. Skin is the part of which system in the body? Correct answer is B. Integumentary. Skin is the part of the integumentary system. Next question. What immediate nursing intervention will you take in case of blood reaction? Right answer is D. Stop the transfusion immediately and monitor the vital sign. It's the immediate nursing intervention after the blood transfusion or blood reaction. Next question. Which of the following is fourth cranial nerve? Correct answer is A. Trochlea. Trochlea is the fourth cranial nerve. Next question. Which respect to the daily requirement for a normal human being, the contribution via carbohydrate should be. Correct answer is B. 50 to 70% of total daily requirement is the total contribution in daily requirement of a normal diet. 50 to 70% of total daily requirement. Next question. A muscular pouch-like sac that lies slightly to the left of abdomen to store food temporarily is known as. Right answer is C. Stomach. Next question. Which is a unit of ACRE in practice of community health nursing? Right answer is C. Family. Next question. Displacement, substitution and projection are examples of which of the following? Correct answer is A. Defense mechanism. These are the examples of defense mechanism: displacement, substitution, rejection, projection. Next question. Which of the following are not approaches of health education? Right answer is A. Incentive approach. Incentive approach is not a part of health education. Next question. What is hyperemesis gravidarum? Right answer is D. Excessive vomiting. Hyperemesis gravidarum means excessive vomiting during the gestation period. Next question. Question number 76. Normal duration of involution of uterus is. Correct answer is C. 6 weeks. 6 weeks is the normal duration of involution of uterus. Next question. Which of the following is the element of difference between community and society? Correct answer is A. Definitive locality. Next question. The tools used for data collection are. Correct answer is C. Questionnaire, interview schedule and observation checklist. These are the tools that is used for the data collection. Next question. An Anganwadi worker caters to what size of population? Correct answer is B. 1000. Next question. Which of the following is not an important element in physical environment surrounding a job that can affect motivation? Correct answer is B. Plant and animal in the environment that cannot be affect the motivation. Job that can affect the motivation. Thank you for watching us.